डू
केले,
did
करणार,
will do
करत आहे,
am is are doing
करत होता,
was were doing
करत असेल,
will be doing
केले आहे,
have has done
केले होते,
had done
केले असेल,
will have done
सकाळपासून करत आहे,
have has been doing since morning
सकाळपासून करत होता,
had been doing since morning
सकाळपासून करत असेल,
will have been doing since morning
करू शकतो,
can do
करू शकेल,
could do
करू शकला असता,
could have done
करेल,
would do
करत असता,
would be doing
केले असते,
would have done
सकाळपासून करत असता,
would have been doing since morning
केले पाहिजे,
should do
करत राहिले पाहिजे,
should be doing
केले पाहिजे होते,
should have done
कदाचित करतील,
may do
कदाचित करत असेल,
may be doing
कदाचित केले असेल,
may have done
सकाळपासून कदाचित करत असेल,
may have been doing since morning
कदाचित करतील,
might do
कदाचित करत असेल,
might be doing
कदाचित केले असेल,
might have done
सकाळपासून कदाचित करत असेल,
might have been doing since morning
करतीलच,
must do
करत असेलच,
must be doing
केले असेलच,
must have done
सकाळपासून करतच असेल,
must have been doing since morning